Shalina from MarineMax Lake Wylie, and today we have this 2022 Harris Sunliner Sport 230. It is powered by the Mercury 175 engine. It's got the speed tow bar right here, as well as the rail package. What the rail package enables you to do is when this chain is linked, you can sit facing rear even when you're underway. And then we've got the cooler area right here with the drains. You can fill this up with ice as you're lounging back here enjoying your drinks. And then this specific pontoon does have the upgraded JL audio, so we've got the 6 speakers, 2 of which are back here, as well as the radio controls. So you can control the music from back here as well. Coming through, you see that we have the Sun Lounger layout, and we've got the double batteries in here as well. So tremendous amount of battery power right there. And right here we have the Sport Tower with the integrated bimini for lots of shade. And at the helm area we have the high back seats, very comfortable, and it's got the diamond stitching and armrests. We also have digital throttle right here. And we also have RBG lighting for lighting underneath the seats and cup holders. And right here we have the wireless charger, so you can keep your phone charged. And right here we have the table that folds out, so that way you can prepare snacks or drinks or anything like that. A ski locker right here for more storage. So you can get your fishing poles, skis, tubes, and things like that. It all fit in here. And then in the bow area, we've got tremendous more storage. All of this opens up so you can put all your life jackets and things in here. We've got the stainless steel cup holders and USBs on either side as well to keep your iPhone charged, your iPads, things like that. And then we've got the portable cup holder here as well. If you guys have any questions about this boat or any others on our website, feel free to give us a shout. My name is Shalina at MarineMax Lake Wylie, and our number is 803-831-2101. Thank you.